Hi, hello, namaskara. My name is Nalini and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you basic traits and characteristics of people born in August. Please watch this video till the end, and if you are coming for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. So, first of all, happy birthday to all the people who are born in August. So, zodiac sign of Leo commences on July 21st, but for 7 days it is overlapped by the cusp of the previous sign, that is Cancer. It does not come into its full power until on or around July 28th, the Leo. From this date onwards, Leo is in full strength until August 20th and is then for 7 days gradually losing its strength on account of becoming overlapped by the cusp of the incoming sign, that is Virgo. So, people born in this period always aim to get above the common herd of humanity, and they themselves, in turn, are naturally attracted to strong personalities. In fact, they will forgive any fault in the people they like so long as they have individuality and purpose. So, these people represent what might be termed as the heart force of humanity. They are overflowing with sympathy and are generally generous to a fault. They will defend a friend in the face of a million foes, and disloyalty and deceit are the only things that can break their great hearts. They are themselves exceptionally truthful and honest, but they often get terribly deceived and have a tendency in the end to become bitter, severe, and also overcritical. They are usually lucky in money matters, often having money given to them from all these sources, but they crave love above all. And this is the one thing they rarely get. They have the power to inspire others, and as leaders like Napoleon, born in this sign, they can lead their men through fire or death. They are intensely proud and often are easily wounded at this point in their nature. They have an extremely independent spirit. They detest control or being dictated to. They have great tenacity of purpose and willpower, and if once they put their mind on some plan, purpose, or position, they usually reach their goal in spite of every difficulty or obstacles. And these persons who are born under in the August month and Leo people, they have to be always actively employed. If forced by some circumstances, out of heart, or anything against their will, they will have stress in life. They often become morbid and despondent. As a rule, they are extremely patient and long suffering, but if once roused, they know no fear and do not even know when they meet defeat or acknowledge it when they do. They make enemies by their frankness of speech and their hatred of anything underhand and who are disloyal. They have great tenacity of purpose, determination, and willpower if they once put their mind on some purpose. But they usually attempt the most daring and difficult things. They are great soldiers, leaders in finance, and public men in this who are August born people. As a rule, people born in this period feel isolated and lonely in life, and if not actively employed or if not actively doing work or having any purpose in life, they become melancholy and despondent. About their friends, they would find their most lasting friendships with people born in their own period or from March 21st to April 19th, 27th, with their central affinities January 21 to February 18, 28, and November 21 to December 20, 27. And also all the people who are born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th of any month, because these are number one people, and they have this the August born people have number of the sun. They are also number one people, the number of the Leo, so that's why they are also can become friends with the number one people. Their health, These people are inclined to suffer from the heart palpitations, pains in the head or ears. Colors. Their most suitable colors are all shades of yellow, orange, pale green, and white. And also, their stones are birthstones for this period are topaz, amber, and rubies. So, this was some of the characteristics and traits of the people who are born in the month August. I hope you found this informative and useful. If so, please like this video and share with everybody. And also let me know, are you August born, and if so, which date you are born in the August, or else you can also share your month or when you are born. So I'll cover all the months. I have already shared with you May, June, and July. I'll share the links in the description. So thank you so much for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.